In this video, I want to talk about how you can get real-time quotes inside of TradingView. So once you've selected any chart and you've connected your broker, and if you don't get the real-time quotes, there's something that you can pay for to get this. So let me show you how you can do this. Either if it says on the chart, like it's delayed by 15 minutes, you can click on that and you will be able to get it. Or if you come up here and click on your profile, hover your profile and go to account and billing. Let this load for a little bit, and then you want to scroll down until you find real-time market data. Now you will be able to press pay now, and once you're in here you can see that you can pay annually or monthly, and it's about this is almost $40, I believe, like $47 a month, and you will get access to the real-time market data. So keep that in mind. But if you go here to supercharts, most of these will be real-time for free users, but some of these won't, and some of these there will be a delay. So just keep that in mind. But usually it will tell you if there's a delay, and you can click on it and see it. So that's how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.